Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test on the new Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation, and I am in the shade Tan 24. So if you would like to see how this foundation applies and how it holds up on my oily skin for the entire day, please keep on watching. This foundation, when I purchased it at Ulta, it also came with a Morphe foundation brush, which I'm gonna try out today. For setting powder, I'm using my Becca Set and Refresh powder. And as you see, I'm not using any concealer today. Like when I do a foundation test, I like to try the foundation by itself, as I don't want to blame the foundation not wearing well based on the concealer, as some products are not made to be mixed, and quite often we do mix them and then we would blame one thing for the other. So for that reason, I am gonna finish up with the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm gonna do like just my bronzing and my blush, and I'm gonna come back really quick because I'm already late for my appointment and I'm gonna be keeping this on all day like I already said at the beginning. So I'll be back. Let me just finish up and I'll be back to show you guys how everything came together. Everything applied really lovely. Set really nice. Like I said, when I was applying this foundation, it applied really easily. It wasn't hard at all to blend, and you see I used the Morphe brush that the foundation came with, and this is really a nice brush. I never used Morphe brushes before, but this is the E63 foundation brush, and it's really nice. Like, it's slanted and it's just perfect for hugging under the eyes, between the eyebrows, around the head. This is such a lovely foundation brush that comes with the foundation for free, and I purchased this foundation for only $20, so it's really a reasonable price foundation, and it applied lovely. Like I said, I did do the setting and everything off camera, but I used my Becca Set and Refresh setting powder to set my foundation. I did prime with my Huda Beauty primer. For setting spray, I did use my Huda Beauty Rest and Ball setting spray like you saw. And for blush, I used my Melting Blush from Rare Beauty in the shade Nearly Apricot. I never reviewed this on my channel, but let me just show you guys really quickly. if anyone is wondering how it looks. It's such a beautiful orange, and if you like orange creamy blushes, you're gonna love this one as well. It's such a pretty blush, really nice. And last but not least, for bronzing, I use my Jouer Cosmetics bronzer, and this is one of my favorites. If you're used to my channel, you know I usually reach for this one. It comes with 2 different shades of bronzers in here. And if there's anything that I didn't mention, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section. But I'm gonna go off because I'm already a bit late for my day. I'm gonna be back later to show you guys how this foundation held up on my oily skin or how it didn't. But I'll see you guys later. I just wanted to check the makeup on camera. You see the marks from my face mask, but nothing is lifted. It's all there. And let me just show you guys, it's a snowy day today. It's a really snowy day today. If you're from New York, you know what's going on.
Turn right onto the Meadowbrook State Parkway South ramp, then keep left.
After wearing this foundation all day, and I mean like all day, we're in a new day now. It's 1:05 a.m. I had this foundation on all day on Sunday, and I'm just getting in, so I just wanted to come to show you guys the status of my makeup. And everything is in place. I just have like a slight separation by the side of the nose, which is a bit normal for as long as I've had this foundation on. I would say about 14 hours. And like you see, when I applied it, it went on really easy. I used the Morphe E63 foundation brush that this foundation came with, and it helped blend out really easy and seamlessly. This is an amazing brush. The foundation is an amazing foundation, which gives it a really natural skin type of look. When you apply this one, it didn't rub off on my mask at all. Like, I still have my foundation on my nose, and my highlighter and my foundation is still on my cheek area where I wore my mask. And so I brought my camera just to show you guys and keep you updated. It wasn't hot at all today, so I didn't expect my makeup to be worn and to fall apart at all. However, this foundation is absolutely transfer proof, as it didn't rub off, it didn't transfer anywhere or anything of that sort. But I just wanted to come and update you guys and show you the status of my makeup, and just let you know, if you're thinking about getting this one, this is an absolutely amazing purchase. And like I said, it comes with the brush, so this is an amazing value. If you're looking for a starter foundation, like you're new to foundation, this is absolutely amazing, as it applies really easily. And I can't stress that enough. You don't have to be expert at blending with this foundation, as it works really easily. And like I said, the brush helps a lot. If there's anything at all that you didn't understand about my video, if there's anything that I didn't mention about this foundation and this brush, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.